1.2 sub question 3. Question number 2 sub question 3, x plus y is equal to 0 and 2x minus y is equal to 9. You have to find out the solution of both the equation by graphical method. So this is the chart for this equation, this is the chart for this equation. This is the x coordinate, y coordinate, and this is the coordinates of the point xy. So you have to consider the x coordinate, you have to find out the y coordinate, and you have to find out the point. In the same manner, you have to consider the x coordinate, you have to find out the y coordinate, and you have to provide the coordinates of the point. By your own, you have to decide what value of x you have to take. If you will take the value of x, any value of x, but our graph is the limit, graph has the limit, so whatever be the point will fit in the graph, according to that you have to take the scale. So yeah, I will consider the value of x as 2. I will put x is equal to 2 in this equation. When I will put x is equal to 2 in the equation, first at that time y is equal to minus 2 will come, and value this coordinates of this point is 2 minus 2. This is the x coordinate, this one is the y coordinate. When I will consider x as 1, at that time when I will put the value of x as 1, at that time value of y will come minus 1, and coordinates of the point will be 1 minus 1. When you will consider the value of x as 4, at that time value of y will come minus 4, and the coordinate will be 4 minus 4. In the same manner, in this equation you have to consider the value of x. I will consider the value of x as 4. That time value of y will come minus 1, and coordinate will be 4 minus 1. In the same manner, the value of x consider as 5. That time value of y will come 1. Here x is equal to 5, you have to put 2 5s are 10. You have to transpose this minus y that side, that become plus y, and this plus 9 becomes minus 9. 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1 will come, and coordinates of this point is x coordinate is 5, y coordinate is 1. In the same manner, you have to consider value of x as 2. That time value of y will come minus 5, and the coordinates of this point will be 2 minus 5. Means you have to consider the value of x, you have to find out the value of y, and in this manner you have to find out the solutions of these equations. Then if you want to find out the solution of these equations, at that time you have to plot the graph. Whatever be the point of intersection of the graph is the solution of your both the simultaneous equation. So first of all, you have to plot this line on the graph, x plus y is equal to 0. First coordinate is 2 minus 2. X is 2, y is minus 2. This point will come here. Second point is 1 minus 1. X coordinate is 1, y coordinate is minus 1. This will come here. And next point is x coordinate is 4, y coordinate is minus 4. This point will come here. The line will pass from all the 3 points. You have to plot the line. After that, you have to concentrate this line. So the coordinates, first point is 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 you will plot here. 4 minus 1 here. This is the point 4 minus 1. Second point is 5 1. X coordinate is 5, y coordinate is 1. This point will come here. And third point is 2 minus 5. And this is this line having the equation 2x minus y is equal to 9. So this line having equation 2x minus y is equal to 9, and this line having equation x plus y is equal to 0. Both the lines are intersecting this point at this point. This point of intersection is the solution the solution of the simultaneous equation. So you have to plot the perpendicular line to the x axis and perpendicular line to the y axis. At that time the x coordinate is 3 and y coordinate is minus 3, and this is the x coordinate, this is y coordinate. Therefore point of intersection is the solution. Therefore x is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 3 is the solution of the above equation. In this way you have to find out the solution by the graphical method. You have to plot the graph and write the equation, write all these things in the notebook properly. Thank you.